So I've got these hooked up right now to my X Super Home Quest 2 Elite head strap with battery pack mount. Sorry, that was my arm getting in the way. Battery pack mount here. So once again, X Super Home, you can find that on Amazon. I actually have bought several of their products because I have had some great luck with their products. I think they're phenomenal products. This strap itself, the whole headset strap here comes together. It's got padding on the inside. It's very, very nice and comfortable against your head. Very, very comfortable padding. It is fairly bulky, but it doesn't add a lot of extra weight. Now, the battery pack, on the other hand, will add some weight, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. This does not come with the battery pack itself. It is just for the head strap. You can adjust it here, and it does come with a battery pack mount to where I've clipped this battery pack in on this particular headset. So it is great. It slides on wonderfully, honestly better than the Elite head strap that comes from Oculus Quest, which I do have right here. So this this Elite head strap that I've kind of thrown on top of here is a lot more flimsy. The material is not nearly as good. It is prone to break. This is the second one I've had because the first one did break. And the interior here that goes against your head is just this hard rubber. Not the most comfortable thing ever. It's better than the stock headband, but this one right here, it was probably $15 cheaper than the Elite head strap, and it is much, much more comfortable. This material inside of here is wonderful, cradled against your head. Let me show you here just kind of how, if you can see that good, that foam kind of presses in very nicely. It's very thick foam padding. I highly recommend this, and it does slide on just perfectly on that Quest. The mounting clips here slides on just perfectly over top of that. The only complaint I have with this is this knob does get in a little bit of a bind sometimes, but as you can see here, it's working smoothly right now. It does come with this little plastic clip here to run your battery cables through, and as you can see, I've just got this battery hooked up